everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jasmine and I'm super excited to have you guys back here. Woo! Okay, so today I'm coming at you with two hairstyles. One is going to be a super simple bubble braid, and the second hairstyle is going to be a twisted half up hairstyle. Okay, so this hairstyle is super cute, super simple, and it's quick as well, which is a plus. So the things that you're gonna need are some bobby pins. Preferably get some that match your hair color or close to. So I have like these dark brown ones. And you're also gonna need some of the clear elastics. You're really only gonna need like 3 of these. I just took out extra just in case. And then also just make sure that your hair is detangled. Okay, so this hairstyle looks nice if it's straight hair or curly or even natural hair if you have a good texture. I don't. So I curled my hair today. I use like a 1.5 inch barrel if that helps. But any curl is perfectly fine. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I create these two hairstyles, go ahead and keep on watching. So for our first hairstyle, we are doing a beautiful effortless bubble ponytail. So loosely gather all the hair at the crown area, leaving the hair in the front out to frame the face, and secure it with a small hair elastic. So here comes my favorite part, adding volume to the hair. So first you want to tighten the ponytail, and using your index finger and thumb, carefully start tugging at your hair to create volume and add texture to this hairstyle. Next, loosely gather all of the hair that's right below your ears, leaving down the hair at your neck. Secure it with a small elastic at the nape of your neck and include your previous ponytail. And then you can go ahead and start pulling small pieces to loosen this section. Now we have our first bubble. So begin pulling on the sides of your hair that's between those 2 elastics. And make sure to pull from all directions just to really create our bubble. Now we're going to repeat the exact same steps we previously did. So go ahead and split the remaining hair in half and create your third ponytail, leaving a little bit of hair at the nape of your neck. Make sure that you loosely gather the hair and don't do it on too tight, because we're going to loosen it up either way. So again, with your index and thumb, slowly start pinching your hair and pulling small sections to create the illusion of a bubble. So now we're almost finished. Now the last step is going to be just to double check and look over your hairstyle to make sure that no hair is sticking out too much, or if you need to add a little bit more volume in other areas. And there we have it. Ta-da! Here's the final look. This is such a fun hairstyle. I love how effortless and beautiful this hairstyle looks. Okay, so for the twisted half up hairstyle, I'm going to show you what you have to do in the front first, and then I'll go ahead and turn around and show you how I pin it down, okay? So my hair is really heavy and thick, so I tend to use a little bit extra bobby pins just for extra support. But you guys should be okay with just like 4 bobby pins, 2 on each side. But again, I usually use like 8. Whatever you guys feel comfortable with. If you guys feel like it's sturdy enough, if you guys feel like it's falling, just go ahead and add an extra one. And also don't be afraid to add accessories. So you guys could add little flowers, little butterfly clips, whatever is up to you. Okay, so starting off, you're gonna wanna grab maybe like this amount. It's probably like 2-3 inches right here. And I tend to leave down the hair above my ear, but that's just my preference. Okay, so you're gonna go ahead and split your hair into 2 equal sections, and we're gonna rotate it upwards. And now the back section is going to become the front one. So then again, you're going to twist it once again. And on this part, you're going to go ahead and grab a small piece of hair from the bottom, and you're going to add it to the section that's on top. Like so. So it's going to become like a cross. So then again, you're going to twist one more time and go ahead and grab another piece of section in the bottom. So this is the section that we're adding. So we're gonna add it to the top section, like so. So you're always just gonna have 2 sections. Don't get confused and make it seem like it's a 3-strand braid. So we're just twisting the hair. So again, we're gonna twist one more time. Grab another piece of hair and avoid getting the ones on top of your ear. So we kind of want to cover the ear. So hair right here, add it to the one on top, like so. And you're just gonna keep doing this until you try to get towards the bottom. Leave a little bit off. It's just, we're gonna do extra, and we could always just let go of whatever piece you're not clipping up. And also, try to remember that you wanna kinda direct it towards the back. So don't do it down, to the back. And then once you've grabbed hair, maybe like 4 or 5 times, you can just twist your hair. Just without adding hair, just keep twisting the 2 sections. So here's where the fun part begins. So this is when you're gonna grab your index and your thumb, and you're gonna start pancaking the braid. So just gently, and then do a little bit at a time. You don't wanna pull too much. And now you can just grab any clip, just hang on to it. Your hair is gonna try to untwist, it's okay, we'll fix it once we start pinning. So now I'm gonna do the other side, exact same thing, but on this side, I'm not gonna grab as much hair just because the part is more on this side. So again, we're gonna grab a 2 to 3 inch section, split it into 2. So you're always gonna grab the front section and direct it up. So you're gonna twist up. So don't twist this way, we're gonna twist this way. Twist once without grabbing hair. Then the second time is where we're gonna start grabbing hair. So here are the 2 sections. Grab a small section of hair and add it to the one that you twisted towards the back. Twist, add more hair. So there you go, 2 sections. Twist again, grab more hair, and remember, direct it towards the back. So we're gonna add it to the top one. Twist again. I'll probably just do one more. And now twist on its own. Okay, so now pancaking. And you just eyeball it, depending on how big you want your twist to be. Okay, so now I'll pin the ends. And then let me go ahead and turn around and show you guys how I'm gonna pin it, okay? So starting with the bigger section, make sure your section didn't lose the twist. And if they did, just quickly fix them. And once you're ready, loosely place it in the back of your head and form an X with your bobby pins. Add as many as you want. It's okay if you're able to see the bobby pins. I think it gives it an effortless look. Go ahead and repeat the exact same steps you did on the other side with the smaller section. And again, add as many bobby pins as you want. Once you've pinned both sides of your sections, go ahead and grab onto the base of your bobby pins and slowly start pinching and pancaking all your twists. Fix any areas that you think need to be fixed, and you're good to go. And then again, you could just go back, take out any baby hairs that you want to take out to frame your face, and then fix whatever you think you need to fix from the front. For me, the messier the better. I really like the really messy kind of braid look. And we're done with our second hairstyle. I love this hairstyle because you can really dress it up. It looks very formal, but at the same time, it looks very easy, very simple, very effortless. Okay, you guys, so I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I really hope that you guys try to recreate these hairstyles. If you do recreate them, go ahead and tag me on Instagram. My Instagram is going to be down in the description box, so let me know if you guys enjoyed this video. I really hope to see you guys once again on my next video, and let me know if you guys want to see more, what kind of videos you guys want to see. Okay, so if you guys enjoyed watching this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment down below on which hairstyle you try to recreate. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for supporting me, and I'll see you guys on my next video.